Day one, what did we get accomplished? What did we get accomplished today, Rick, besides driving around the countryside?
Well, we got stuff fastened in. I mean, not everything, but we drove around for 5 hours. I mean,
don't you love windshield time? So we got this mounted, the tank mounted. We got the hose reels all mounted. We got a board on the front of this, so this won't be able to slide forward. We're actually going to take a ratchet strap around here. We did get all the hose mounts. We did figure out where we're going to kind of put our pressure washer. It don't get used a lot. Our gas pump gets used a lot more. We mounted this here. I mounted the thing on there. So tomorrow when we come back, we're probably going to put a battery in this section here. And then we can mount these pressure washers. We'll do 1 or 2 there. And we're waiting on hose. There was stuff that hose didn't show up, so we got to wait on that. But yeah, so we got a lot accomplished on day one. I feel like I would have liked to get a little bit more mounted, but hey, I mean, you can't have everything, right? I mean, it does take some time. We did get another tank. It's going to go right here. Again, these are solid. I mean, you can see I'm moving the whole truck here by pulling on this. So these are definitely things that we got done today. So I feel like day one was a very good accomplishment. Day one got very successful done. You know, this is the hardest part of the battle is figuring out what do I need for this. And yes, I did screw up. This is a 2.5. I got 2-inch pipe, but that's all right. We will get a 2.5 to 2-inch adapter down, and that's going to feed my pressure washer, and it will feed my other line for my rinse line for my soap here. So again, day one I feel was good. You know, this doesn't just happen. You got to get everything unboxed. You can see all the garbage we got here. You got to get everything unboxed. We didn't get a bunch of stuff shipped to us, so we had to order more stuff. And so those are things that we didn't even get it shipped to us in the first place. So we had to get call them, find out when they can get it overnighted for us, hope it comes tomorrow. So if it don't come tomorrow, we hope it comes Wednesday, because we only got 3 days to get this done. So tomorrow, our goal is mount the pressure washers, run all the hose that we can run, because some of the hose that we can't run is because we don't have it, and get the Hudson. We actually didn't get a Hudson float valve. We actually got the Job valve. We got to get this mounted in there, clean the tanks out, all of that fun stuff to be able to get us ready to go for tomorrow. So that's going to be our goal tomorrow, is basically have this bad boy done. So we'll be ready to get whatever we get in to make it happen. Put down in the comments what you like about building a rig when you're building your rigs. I want to hear. Or if you have any questions that you want to make me make videos on, that I can make a video for you, put your questions down in the comments and I will help you out down there.